I'm going to hand it over to Vinny to find out what the closing trades are looking like.
So yes, for the day, seems like the Nifty will be closing almost in the day's lowest point, 24,000. Around that mark is what the Nifty is going to be closing at. We have the mid and small cap that we are keeping an eye out on as well. Sharper fall coming in for the mid cap, down 0.6%. At one point of time, it was outperforming the benchmark indices, but both the mid and small cap will be closing with sharper cuts, 0.4 and 0.6% of decline that we are seeing. So clearly 1.5% fall from the day's highest point. Nifty Bank, that too has seen a fall coming in, so in the 0.6% of decline for Nifty Bank. Let's pull up some of the Nifty names that are falling today. We have the HDFC Life among the top losers in the Nifty 50. SBI Life also seeing a sharper cut today in trade. And other than that, we do have names that are managing to see a bit of a holding on to some bit of a gain is L&T. That's managing to hold on to some bit of a green today in the Nifty 50. Then we do have Asian Paints, Hindustan Unilever, Britannia, which are managing to sustain gains. So FMCG, that's the side which is managing to hold on to gains, given that more of the defensive play that's been working out. Real estate, that's another sector that's holding on to gains. So Godrej Properties, we have Brigade Enterprises, DLF, all of them keeping an eye out on that. Let's move on, talk about IT. That's another one that's managing to hold on to gains also. So yes, in the IT names, what we're seeing is that TechM, HCLT Tech, Wipro, strong gains in all these names, with LTI Mindtree also managing to hold on to gains of almost more than 1%. Banks, that's not doing well today. So PSU Banks also seen a sharper fall coming in. And in the PSU banks, let's pull up something like an SBI that's down and out more than 1%. We have Union Bank, PSB, Bank of India, Indian Bank among the other names that are seeing a sharper fall in trade today. Metals, that's another one that's actually managing to hold on to some bit of a gain. So metals, whether you look at a JSW Steel, managing to hold on to gains. Other than that, we have Adani Enterprises. We also have Jindal Steel, which is also holding on to good gains. But today, advance decline ratio clearly in the favor of decline versus advances. Nifty as well as the mid and small cap off the day's highest point, settling at 24,000, around 30 levels is what the Nifty is at. Mid and small cap, sharper fall coming in, slight bit of a recovery from the day's lowest point, but around that mark, nothing more of an excitement that we're seeing coming in for that. Let's pull up Symphony, because that was a sharp mover in trade today on the back of earnings as well as buyback. So Symphony has seen a sharp uptick, almost 20% uptick there, and this is the biggest single intraday gain that Symphony has seen in almost 2-3 years. 2021 was the last time we'd seen such single intraday moves coming in. So Symphony is surely a one to watch out for. Marico, Bangladesh impact coming in for Marico, so yes, keeping an eye out on that one. Other than that, let's pull up Vardhaman Textiles buzzing in trade, Trident buzzing in trade, because yes, textile companies are doing well today, given that the issues that are going on in Bangladesh, that starts benefiting all these textile companies, even the jute companies like Chevrolet, that is all managing to hold on to good gains. Trent, on the other hand, does have some exposure to Bangladesh, so that is why it's seeing a bit of a decline coming in on that front. So yes, all in all, we'll be closing the day almost near the day's lowest point. Not much of an excitement. Mid and small cap names which are seeing a bit of a sharper fall coming in today. We have Policy Bazaar, Mazgaon Dock, CG Power, SJVN, which are seeing so much of a bit of a pressure there.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.